What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Pretty exciting news out of Harley Davidson today. So they just released their next icon bike. What we have is a Lowrider ST that they are calling El Diablo. Now we're gonna keep this video super short, sweet, and to the point. This is not a review of this bike because I've already done that. This is Harley Davidson's Lowrider ST, but with a paint job, and it comes factory with that Rockford Fosgate audio system pre-installed. So you don't have to spend the extra $1,000 and have that installed. You get it from the factory. Now, just like with the Revival, the first bike in the Icon series, this is a limited numbered bike. There is 1,500 of them and they are numbered just like the Revival was. I'm very curious to see what these things end up going for. When the Lowrider ST itself is going for well above MSRP, I can only imagine how expensive this bike will be. Now, as you can see here, per Harley Davidson's website, this bike has a $27,999 MSRP. If I had to guess, you will absolutely see dealerships asking $40,000 for this bike. Now, as soon as Timms Harley Davidson gets theirs in, I will do a hands-on review. But as we said, there's not a whole lot to talk about on this bike. It is a West Coast inspired paint job, which I am a fan of. I do like, I think looks good. I personally am not paying that much extra for the paint job and the Rockford speakers that come on this year's Icon bike. Let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think? Was this a hit or miss for Harley Davidson? And is this a bike that you're interested in? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.